Welcome to the eSavvy 3-minute series of tutorials for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. eSavvy hopes that you'll find this series informative and that each video helps you to better understand how to get the most out of your CRM Online experience. In this video we will cover an introduction to dashboards. When you open Microsoft CRM, the initial default landing page is the dashboard. And from the dashboard we can modify the firstly presented dashboard to us, which is the Microsoft Dynamics CRM overview, and we can pick any of the other dashboards as appropriate. Now, we're not restricted to using just the dashboards that are provided here by the system. We can actually go ahead and create one for ourselves. The way we do that is over in the top of the ribbon bar we can click on New. This will bring up a wizard that will allow us to select the type and style and content for the dashboard that we want. In this example, I'm going to pick a 2-column regular dashboard, and this will create the basic dashboard for us. What we can then do is we can actually go in and we can specify the name, so I can call it My Dashboard. And what I can do is I can now specify what content I want to appear in each of the 4 quadrants that I requested. For this particular video we're going to leave it as an introductory guide, so I'm going to concentrate on the top 2 elements, which is either to insert a chart or a grid. So in the top left hand corner I've decided that what I'd like to see is a list of my leads by their source. So I'm going to choose the record type, which is lead. It will then display to me a series of views, so I can either restrict it to just my leads, or I can say I want to see all of the open leads, and then I can specify which chart I'd like to see, and I'd like to see it by source, in other words where they originated from. Click on OK, and that will become my first quadrant. In the second one, I want to see how I'm progressing from a sales perspective and look at the opportunities. So in an opportunity, I'm going to pick again all of the open opportunities, but we could pick any view. And rather than the top 10 customers, what I'd like to see on my dashboard is the actual sales pipeline, which is my funnel. Click on OK. If I scroll down, I can now specify the next element, and in this one I'm going to pick from a customer service point of view. I want to look at the cases, and I want to look at all the cases, and I'm going to choose cases by priority but listed by owner, and click on OK. And in the 4th column, or 4th quadrant, I'm going to show my activities, but what I'm particularly interested in here are a list of my activities past due. And if you're wondering how we go about creating that, you can look at the creating the personal view introduction video, and you'll be able to see how that was created. So I have other capabilities in here. I have the dashboard properties, where if I decide I want to rename it, I can actually do that. And all I need to do now is I need to just save and close it. And there's my dashboard. And once again, if you don't want to show the visor, we can just minimize that to give us a little bit more room. So in this particular dashboard that I've created, we can see my lead sources, my sales pipeline, my cases by priority, split by who's the owner of the cases, and I can see my overdue activities. Now, as per the charts video, these charts we can actually create our own definitions of charts and use those on the dashboards, but also we're able to drill down directly from within here. So for example, over on my opportunities, I can see I've got $175,000 worth of prospect categorized pipeline, and I might want to drill into that. So I can drill down even though it's a dashboard, and this I might want to drill down by who the potential customer is, and I might want to see that by column. So we can actually do that, and I'm able to do this on all of my charts on all of my dashboards. So I can pick various elements of, in this case, the lead. Let's pick by city, and instead of a pie chart, display it as a bar, and click on OK. So we're able to drill down directly from here. One other feature that I'm able to do from here as well from the chart is if I want to, I can actually ask for the list view. So I can actually say, can you please open all of a window with all of the actual individual records that make up that component. And there they all are. So I've actually taken that source chart, which is leads by source, and open it with all the corresponding leads in a separate window. So I can jump to straight and drill down through into elements of the chart if I want to. Thank you for watching this eSavvy 3-minute series video on an introduction to dashboards. We hope that you found it informative, and if you would like to view other videos from the series, please visit www.esavvyonline.com.au.